Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find the old Grow a Garden server. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, open up your Roblox application on your mobile phone or on your PC. And then you're going to open up the Grow a Garden game. And then you're going to go to the server menu right here. Okay, and then you're going to search for an old server in Grow Garden. Okay, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to filter the number of players. I'm going to choose ascending and exclude the full server, and I'm going to load more, and then we just need to wait for a moment guys. Then you can join one of these servers here until you can find the old server in Grow a Garden. Okay, you just need to click on join and you can keep joining until you find the old server. Okay guys, and that's all the way to find the old server in Grow a Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!